A device used to measure electric current is called. Correct answer is option B. Ammeter is used to measure electric current. A man moving on a horizontal road with a load on his head does no work. This is because the force is. Correct answer is option C. Parallel to the displacement. The first law of thermodynamics is a restatement of the principle of conservation of. Correct answer is option B. Conservation of energy. The gas usually causing explosions in coal mines is. Correct answer is option B. Methane gas. Which of these is not a function of the human kidney? Correct answer is option C. Blood clotting. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Correct answer is option B. Cytokinin. Which gas protects from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun? Correct answer is option C. Ozone. The Taj Mahal is threatened by pollution from which gas? Correct answer is option B. Sulfur dioxide. The Chipko movement was associated with. Correct answer is option B. Forest conservation. The Red Data book contains information on. Correct answer is option B. Threatened species. Acid rain is caused by the emission of which gases? Correct answer is option B. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. The value of gravitational acceleration is. Correct answer is option B. Maximum at the poles. The process by which plants lose water is called. Correct answer is option C. Transpiration. The gas used for artificial ripening of fruits is. Correct answer is option C. Ethylene. The process of transfer of heat in liquids and gases is called. Correct answer is option B. Convection process. The process of a liquid changing into a gas at its boiling point is called. Correct answer is option B. Boiling or vaporization. The instrument used to measure earthquake intensity is. Correct answer is option B. Seismograph. The process of removing salt from seawater is called. Correct answer is option C. Desalination. The greenhouse effect is primarily caused by. Correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide. The process of a solid changing directly into a gas is called. Correct answer is option C. Sublimation. The fear of closed space is called. Correct answer is option B. Claustrophobia. The lens used in a simple microscope is. Correct answer is option B. Convex lens. The human eye forms the image of an object at its. Correct answer is option C. Retina.